Making a joint.
The next section steps through how to correctly make a joint using Rautitan system. The following video demonstrates the ease of making a joint.
As discussed in the previous section, before making a cut, ensure an appropriate pipe cutter is selected for the size of standard Rautitan PEX pipe. Proceed to cut the pipe at 90 degrees. Ensure there are no burrs. If after cutting the pipe there are burrs or the cut was made on an angle, recut the pipe. It's important to check the cutting surface at this stage, as it's a simple check that can avoid a potential leak. Once the pipe is cut, slide the sleeve over the pipe. As you know, the PX sleeves are reversible, and so the orientation is not important to check. The brass MX sleeves for the larger sizes are designed to work one way only, so always ensure the chamfered edge is towards the joint. Make sure that the sleeve is at least 2 sleeve lengths away from the edge at this point, so that the sleeve is out of the expansion area, preventing damage to the pipe. Once you have selected the appropriate expander tool and the correct blue expander head for water applications, insert the expander head completely squared to the pipe and expand. Then rotate by 30 degrees and expand again. This is to ensure that the pipe is expanded completely and evenly. Expander heads should be regularly checked for damages. Confirm that they are clean and in good working condition prior to use. If there are any issues with expansion, such as overstretching or cracks, cut out the expanded section and repeat. Insert the pipe over the fitting completely. It is important to take note that all the sealing ribs are covered now, and to monitor this during the compression. Slide the compression sleeve up against the expanded pipe end. Proceed to compress the sleeve against the fitting collar completely, using the appropriate compression tool and jaws. Following compression, visually check the joint to ensure there are no issues with alignment or damage to the joint. So, now you know how to correctly make a joint. Let's move on to some installation guidelines.